faffing around video. I make my own yogurt, and there's a video somewhere, can't remember where. And I was watching something, and there's a Middle Eastern dish called Labneh, which is strained yogurt, and then you can preserve the strained yogurt in olive oil. So I'm going to have a go. It's just you make the yogurt and then you strain it through a cheesecloth, and then you roll it into balls, and then store it in olive oil. So I'm just kind of quite curious. So I don't know how we're supposed to make the balls, but I kind of think if I use my hands, it's going to be a bit messy. So we'll use a couple of spoons, and we'll just some of the cloth hair on that. So we'll just form the balls with some spoons, and then we'll see how long it lasts in olive oil. So it was fresh yogurt, and it's also live as well. So I'm not entirely sure how long it'll last, but I tasted it, and it tastes a little bit cheesy. So I kind of get if it's a soft cheese, then I can't see why it won't. I suppose the bacteria in the yogurt already will kind of fend off any kind of other bacteria that wants to kind of grow on it, and then the olive oil will keep it away from the air. So we'll just kind of have to see. But it said it stores for months. I'm not entirely sure if I believe that. As you can see, it's really kind of quite dry, a lot drier than I normally do my yogurt, but it just means that you just leave it in the cheesecloth straining for longer. So a clean jar, clean spoons, and see how long it lasts. And I think it will be nice because it will take on the flavour of the olive oil. So it's a bit like a cream cheese. Well, that's no good, is it? So it's savoury, and I might have it with a bit of jam. But if we're putting it in olive oil, it's savoury, and then we'll kind of think spread on crackers or toast type of thing. Take spoons for a bit, and hopefully make some better balls. I probably need to. They're a bit. I'm probably not doing the best job of making these. And I suppose if I had, should have washed my hands and made little balls. But you know, everything's just a bit of faff around, isn't it? I'm not going to put it in the fridge. I'm going to leave it at room temperature, because if you put olive oil in the fridge, it wants to wax and kind of go thick, which is what used to happen to diesel fuel in the old days. It used to wax up. And what people used to do was they would put a little bit of paraffin or petrol in with the fuel to stop it from waxing. And if the Inland Revenue got wise to the fact that you put a bit of paraffin in, there was a different duty on paraffin to diesel, and you used to get in trouble for unpaid duty on a fuel that we're using on the road. It's a mindless bit of information, and completely useless these days because there's anti-waxing additives in it. But anyway, that's diesel, and this is not the channel about diesel fuel. You could put petrol in, and that would be fine to put petrol in a diesel tank, because that'd be the duty paid on the petrol would be okay. It's just that paraffin, there was no duty on it, or a less duty tax. Can we fit another one in, or should we just put the olive oil on top? I don't know. Yeah, let's put another one in. These are not the best spoons for quenelling. They're not even good quenelles. So, we'll see what happens there. Actually, I'm going to do a bit of taste test. I was, yeah, so apparently there's a bit of a, not that I've noticed it, but there's apparently a cream cheese shortage in America at the moment, well, the USA. So if you want a cream cheese alternative, strained yogurt has consistency, it's flavoury, so that's what I do, is make my own yogurt and then strain it. Not that dissimilar.